The customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on. My first step was to connect a scan tool to check for any diagnostic trouble codes. The scan tool revealed code P0128, which indicates Coolant Thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. This usually means the thermostat isn't allowing the engine to reach its proper operating temperature. To confirm the issue, I started by monitoring live data on the scan tool with the engine idling. The coolant temperature sensor reading showed that the engine wasn't reaching the minimum specified operating temperature. This can affect fuel efficiency, engine performance, and emissions, so it's critical to address. Next, I inspected the coolant level and condition to rule out any simple issues, but everything was in good shape. Using a non-contact pyrometer, I measured the coolant temperature at the outlet of the thermostat housing. The temperature reading matched the data from the scan tool, confirming the sensor was working properly. I then measured the coolant temperature at the inlet of the thermostat housing. Here, the reading was significantly higher than at the outlet, suggesting restricted flow through the thermostat. At this point, it was clear the thermostat was the culprit, but I needed to inspect it directly to confirm. After allowing the engine to cool, I removed the thermostat. Upon inspection, I found it was stuck in a half-open position. This explained why the engine couldn't reach its proper temperature. The thermostat wasn't fully closing to restrict coolant flow when it needed to. To fix the issue, I replaced the thermostat with a new one, cleared the trouble codes, and performed a road test. The vehicle operated normally, the engine reached and maintained the correct temperature, and the check engine light remained off. No new codes were detected, confirming the repair was successful. This repair highlights the importance of diagnosing the issue systematically, checking data, verifying conditions, and inspecting components to ensure the root cause is addressed. Proper engine temperature is crucial for optimal performance and efficiency, making this a vital fix for the vehicle.